Nonprofit leaders, are you ready to kickstart your fundraising? Are you tired of playing small? It's a new year and it's time to make changes. Time to make changes so you can significantly raise more money than last year and maintain that high level of revenue stream. Hi there, I'm Nancy Reeves, your fundraising coach. Before I continue, make sure you subscribe to my weekly insights by clicking here. That way you won't miss out on any fundraising tips and strategies. As a favor to a friend, I met with an executive director of a nonprofit struggling to secure funds to cover basic operating needs. I will tell you, her energy was infectious. In fact, her passion filled the room. But she needs help. She has challenges that require drastic changes if she wants to continue providing the much needed services. Let's look at the situation. Here's what I found after meeting with her. Let's call her Mary. Mary is struggling to raise money for the nonprofit she helped launch 12 years ago. As I mentioned, she is enormously passionate about her work, as you can imagine as the founder. Without question, her work is vitally important to the inner city, low-income youth the organization serves. Here's where Mary meets her challenges. Mary has a hard time getting her board to financially support the nonprofit. In fact, some of the board members have the capacity to give at a significant level, but they don't contribute. She has board members well connected in the community, but you guessed it, the members don't come through when asked to make introductions. Even more to Mary's credit, she has had stories of impact repeatedly published in the local news, providing tremendous exposure to the organization. With intention, she sends handwritten thank you notes from the youth to the short list of major donors. On top of that, Mary has succeeded in securing a small but noteworthy number of grants from local foundations. Astonishingly, the nonprofit advances its mission on a shoestring budget of less than $300,000 a year. Mary and the many volunteers are nothing short of amazing, but she struggles to meet budget every year. Does any of this sound familiar? Here are the next step strategies Mary and I discussed for her to take immediately. Number one, fire or allow board members to roll off. Yes, if board members are not passionate and committed to the organization, it's time to part ways. In Mary's case, board members have been asked to give at a level that is appropriate and comfortable for them. Nonetheless, they are not giving. Board members have been asked to help with introductions. Disappointingly, no board members have made introductions to the easily accessible community leaders and philanthropists they know. Number two, love the donors you have. First and foremost, make sure your current donors feel valued and appreciated. You've worked hard to secure major donors. There is nothing worse than starting over each year with finding new donors. Major gift fundraising takes time and being intentional. So keep your donors engaged and feeling good about their investment. Number three, develop a list of 20 new major donor prospects. Ask board members and current donors for names of others who they believe would support the mission of the organization. Additionally, ask them to make introductions, then have them join you on visits. With that, always plan your visits with well thought out strategies. Okay, to wrap up, if you are like Mary, you know you are changing lives or your community through your work, but you feel alone in your efforts, exhausted, or at wit's end, know that it doesn't have to be that way. Know that it is time to make some bold moves. Consider these strategies I just shared. My goal as a fundraising coach is to encourage you to make bold moves. My question to you is, are you in a similar situation as Mary? Are you going to continue down this same path, or are you going to make bold moves? Let me hear from you. I would love for you to provide a comment below. Okay, remember to sign up for my weekly fundraising tips and strategies by clicking here or going to fundraisingmaximized.com. Look for that bright green button. Again, that's fundraisingmaximized.com. I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye for now.